Good morning, dear students. Students, today we will start a new chapter, that is units of measurements. Measurements are the important basic units in our daily life. We use different measurements for different objects and different units. For example, to measure the length of an object, we use meter and centimeter. To find the weight of an object, we use grams and kilograms. To find the capacity of an object, we use liter and milliliter. Students, when we talk about measurement, then we talk about measures of length, measurement of weight or mass, and measurement of capacity. To measure something like a length, mass or capacity, we compare it with a fixed measure of the same thing. A fixed measure is called a unit. You have come across some units of length, mass and capacity. So, first we will cover measurement of length. Now we will do units of length. The first unit is the kilometer. Students, we use kilometer to measure very large length or distances. For example, the distance between your house and your school, and the distance between two cities. बेटा, अगर हमें हमारे घर से स्कूल तक का डिस्टेंस मेजरमेंट करना है या टू सिटीज का मेजरमेंट करना है, देन वी यूज किलोमीटर. ओके, किलोमीटर इज डोनेटेड एज km in short. We use km, kilometer, in short form. Okay. The next is the meter. We use meter to measure the lengths of cloth, pipe, wire and so on. It is also used to measure short distance. For example, distance between your room to your kitchen is measured in meter. बेटा, आपका distance from your room to kitchen, that can be measured with the help of with the meter. Okay. Also, it is used to measure long height, like height of tree or height of building. Meter is denoted as m in short. We can use m to write the meter. We can use small m to write the meter. Okay. Now, the relation between kilometer and meter. Here, you can see 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay. And also, 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay. Now, students, also meter is the basic unit of length. Okay. The next is the centimeter. We use centimeter to measure the small things like length of a book, thickness of mobile and length of a pen or pencil. Okay. Also, we use centimeter to measure short height. We can use centimeter to measurement the short height also. Okay. For example, height of a table or a chair, etc. can be measured using centimeter. And the relation between meter and centimeter is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. And 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. Centimeter is written cm in the short. बेटा, जैसे हम किलोमीटर को km लिखते हैं, मीटर को m लिख सकते हैं इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म, वैसे ही सेंटीमीटर को हम cm लिखते हैं शॉर्ट फॉर्म में. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज द millimeter. The millimeter is the smallest unit of length. Okay. We use milliliter to measure very short length. Okay. For example, the thickness of credit card, cardboard और 10 sheets of paper. बेटा, अगर हमें किसी चीज की थिकनेस निकालनी हो जो बिल्कुल कम हो, जैसे क्रेडिट कार्ड आप लोगों ने देखा हुआ है, उसकी थिकनेस निकालनी हो तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? मिलीमीटर. ओके. स्टूडेंट्स, टेक अ See, this is a ruler. Take a look at your ruler. See, the big marks are 1 centimeter apart. बेटा आप देखो, आपके पास स्केल है, सबके पास स्केल में देखो आपको गिवन है 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड सो ऑन. ओके बेटा, इन बिटवीन दिस 0, 1, 2 दिस इज, ये जो डिस्टेंस है ये आपका सेंटीमीटर में है. ओके, एंड बिटवीन दीज मार्क्स आर स्मॉलर मार्क्स दैट डिवाइड ईच सेंटीमीटर इनटू 10 इक्वल पार्ट्स. और बेटा जैसे C 0 एंड 1, इनके बीच में आपके पास 10 लाइन्स हैं एंड 1 लाइन मीन्स 1 मिलीमीटर. ओके 1, 2, 3, 4, बेटा इसमें आपकी 10 है. 0 से लेके 1 तक कितनी मिलीमीटर है इसमें? 10. सो 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, as you can see 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Means 0, 1, 2, 3 ये आपका 1 सेंटीमीटर है ना. इस 1 सेंटीमीटर में जो स्मॉलेस्ट आपकी बीच में डिजिट्स है वो आपके किसके इक्वल है? 10 मिलीमीटर के. 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 10 millimeter. And if we convert 1 millimeter to centimeter, then 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeter. Okay. Millimeter is denoted as mm in short. We can use mm in short. We can, जैसे बेटा किलोमीटर में km, सेंटीमीटर में cm, मीटर में m, तो हम मिलीमीटर में mm शॉर्ट फॉर्म में यूज करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एज all these units have the word meter. Okay, when we add kilo before meter, it means 1000 times the meter. When we add centi before meter, it means 100th of the meter. And if we add milli before the meter, then it means 10th of the meter. Okay, beta 1 meter is also equal to 1000 millimeter and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Okay, so now let's see how to convert the units. See, this is the relation between kilometer, meter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, now see how we will learn about the conversion. Okay students, as you can see this figure, this is given milli, this is centi. Okay, and this is unit. This meter, if we are taking mass, if we are taking measurement of length, then we use meter. Okay, and this is kilo. As I told you that if kilo is added to the meter, then it means 1000 times. If if kilo is added to the meter, it means 1000 times the meter. If we add centi before the meter, it means 100th time of meter. And if we add milli to the meter, then it means 10th of the meter. बेटा ये मैं आपको बताती हूँ कैसे करेंगे. This is very interesting concept. See, if we convert kilometer to meter, then we will multiply it by 1000. Sorry. Okay, if we convert beta, when we convert bigger term to smaller, then we will multiply. And if we convert smaller term to bigger term, then we will divide. बेटा जैसे 1 रुपी में पैसे कितने होते हैं? 100 पैसे. इफ वी कन्वर्ट रुपीज इनटू पैसे, देन 1 रुपी इज इक्वल टू 100 पैसा होता है ना. वैसे ही इफ वी कन्वर्ट किलो टू मीटर, देन 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. सी 1 किलोमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1000 मीटर. ओके, इफ वी कन्वर्ट 1 मीटर टू किलोमीटर, देन वी विल डिवाइड. सी 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 1000 kilometer. Okay, see, if we convert meter to centimeter, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? That is 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And if we convert centimeter to millimeter, then 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, if we convert 1 meter to millimeter, 100 into 10, what you will get? 1000. Then 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. See, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. And if we convert 1 millimeter, then we will divide. See, 10 and this is 100. So 1 millimeter is equal to 1 upon 1000 meter. Okay. Students, to convert, we have to remember, we need to learn all these. Okay students. बेटा अगर हमें कन्वर्जन करना है तो वी नीड टू लर्न ऑल दिस एंड दिस इज वेरी इजी कॉन्सेप्ट. इफ यू अगर आप इस फिगर को लर्न कर लेंगे तो आपको कन्वर्जन करना बहुत इजी हो जाएगा. आई एम रिपीटिंग वंस अगेन. इफ वी गो फ्रॉम हायर यूनिट टू स्मॉलर यूनिट, किलो इज द हायर यूनिट and milli is the smaller unit. Always kilometer is the highest unit of length and milli is the smallest unit of length, and this is the basic unit of length. Okay, if we convert kilo to smaller unit, then we will multiply, and if we convert smaller to bigger, then we will divide. Okay, if we convert milli to centi, then we will divide it by 10. If we convert centi to millimeter, then we will divide it by 100. If we convert meter to kilometer, then we will divide it by 1000. Okay, so students, we will do sums related to this concept in my next video. Thank you and have a great day.